there you have it, the amazing Siskiu D5. Probably one of the best value for money full suspension bikes you can get today in India. Hey guys, and welcome to AJ's vlog. In today's video, I'm going to be building a dream bike. I'm going to be building a full suspension MTB. This is the Polygon Siskiu D5. That's in the box behind me. So I'm going to be making a two-part video. In the first part, you're going to be assembling this amazing bike. And in the next one, I'll actually be riding it. Hopefully, I'll get some nice stairs in an urban setting. And then, that'll be the review video. So, two-part video to look forward to. And coming up right now is the assembly. So now you saw the unboxing. Well, basically I took all the covers off the bike. That's the bike behind me. Now there's a little bit of assembly left. I need to fix the handlebars, the wheels and the pedals. I'm going to be using this one little tool to assemble the whole thing. Check it out.